Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E7 Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on capture settings category. At the second place here we have the grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on the camera grid lines and turn them off as we need. So for now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera preview to see them, and as you can see here we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see these lines at the picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we have to go back to the right corner button and tap to this with grid to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.